Basically, today the job here was to run that uh, EMT pipe right there, all the way there, and go down to that specific box right there. That was existing box, which goes all the way here to another access, which was that one right there. Then dig the trench just to bury the pipe. That's PVC pipe all the way there, all the way there to whatever that corner is, and all the way here. These are actually the boxes that we need to energize for the pool lights. And then there's one right there, the other one is right here, and the main right there. The saddest part is that it's so hot today and feels like I want to jump in the pool, but I'm on duty, can't do that. Even if I could, still can't. It's too hot, I'm gonna die in there. And then inside there's pool equipment. Needs to do one timer for those pool lights, and that's it. So basically that's the view on one side, and that's the other view on the other side. And here is the pool equipment. There's some wires there, main panel there, and all that. That's it.